Okay, you got this question. The area of a circle is 9x squared positive 36x positive 4 times pi. What is the diameter of the circle? So we know this formula. Area of a circle is given by pi r squared. Now from this information, pi r squared is equal to 9x squared positive 36x positive 4 times pi. Now pi can be cancelled, giving me r squared is equal to 9x squared positive 36x positive 4. Now can I rewrite this as 3 times x? I'm going to place 6 there. If I were to square it, I would get the first term, 9x squared positive 2ab, so 2 times 3 6 into 6 36 followed by x. But when I square it, I am getting 36, but I need a positive 4 there, so I'm going to remove 32 out. Okay, so that in turn would means from 36 I'm taking away 32, giving me 4. So this is my r squared. So r is equal to square root of 3 times x positive 6 the whole squared negative 32. Now we need the diameter. Diameter is going to be 2 times r, which is nothing but 2 times square root of 3x positive 6 the whole squared negative 32. Okay, so this is the solution, and obviously the choices are present there, and the correct choice can be picked up from there.